Welcome my friends to this very brief tutorial on this assignment here where we're going to do a little writing practice, and I'm just going to share just for some logistics in case you need that. So first thing I'm going to do is we're doing this assignment right here, using your best grammar, punctuation, writing a document in the Google Docs. We want to use the Google Docs, so I'm going to open up a new tab, and see, I'm already logged into my Gmail and my Chrome, so I've got this stuff right here. So I can go right to my drive. Now, if you're not seeing that, you gotta have to go to your Gmail first and log in. But I'm already in there to my drive, so you can click right on it. That's where you gotta go, drive. That's where all your stuff's at. And when you come onto drive, then you want to say, I want to make a new.
Randy Donald to the main office.
Okay, I'm back. So I want to make a new document called a Google Doc. Google Doc is like the Microsoft Office. That's like the word processing. Google Sheets, that's like a contractor. Google Slides, all that stuff. So I'll make a new doc, and before I get going, I'm going to write on it. I'm going to give it a title. So I'm going to call it Richter's. This is my writing. What do we call this thing, anyways? Writing prompt, or you call it something like that, whatever you'd like. And then I'm going to go ahead and write my thing. I'm going to pick one of these topics. So I got lots of things to choose from, 4 different ones. Recount incident time when you experienced failure. How did it affect you? What lessons did you learn? Reflect a time when you challenged a belief or idea. What prompted you to act? That's a good one. So I like this one. Describe a place or environment where you are perfectly content. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that just to get myself started. Paste that in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to write about it. And just the idea of this first run is just to take your time and try to do a good job crafting a nice, just one page. It can be double spaced. So that's the first question. Well, how do you double space it? I don't know. Let me figure it out. I'm going to look around. Let me see. Normal text. Verdana. I'm going to, usually 12 font. That's your most traditional size, 12 font. You don't have to do smaller than that. And double space. Where are you? I don't even know. Maybe under format. Line spacing, there it is. So I'm going to go double spaced. So I got my double space on. I'm going to go ahead and write a one page or more if you want. Depends how. Take your time with it. Do a good job. Once you're done, you're going to share it. Remember this part. You're going to share it. Get the link. Get a shareable link. Now, a few of you in the last assignment, instead of getting that link like this, you just went up here and copied this. Don't copy that. That won't work for me. You got to share it. I won't be able to see it. Copy that link. It says right here, others can view it. That's what I just want to be able to view it. I don't need to write it. And then you're going to go ahead and open up your Dreamweaver, which is my Dreamweaver is over here behind it. So I'm going to open that up. And you're going to open up your home page. Where's it at? Now, some of you might not need to watch this, but so if you do, if you forget, add a new row. To add a new row, if you ran out, you press Tab. I'm pressing the Tab button. And I'm going to call this Writing Prompt. I'm going to highlight it. It's just like you did the contractor. And I'm going to paste that link in. And I'm going to hit enter. Now that one's linked up. Now don't forget, when you link it, it's only linked in your H drive. Now you got to upload it. You got to connect to the X10. So you hit that little connect button. If you're lucky, it's going to connect. If you're like me, you're unlucky. It forgot the username and password. So remember how to do that. You got to go to Manage Sites, Edit, and you're going to have to go out to X10 unless you memorize your username. So I need to memorize your username. I forgot it. But if you memorize it, just type it in your password. If you don't, you're going to have to log in to get it. You might. So let me. I'm going to do that myself. I'm going to pause real quick. How do you log into X10? The way I do it, I come back here to this master assignment page. Click on X10. Sign in. I'm going to pause it because it goes kind of slow. Okay, I'm logged in finally. And then remember, you just stay this first screen. And then you get your username. I'm Richter C. Copy it. It's not a bad idea to log into X10 every couple weeks. Because I think what happens, I got to find that Dreamweaver, there it is. If you don't log into X10, I think like every 2 or 3 weeks, it will deactivate your account. I'm gonna test it, make sure I did it right. Okay, so now I can connect. So it's not bad to log in once in a while. now I'm gonna go ahead and connect again. And now I'm gonna upload it using that blue arrow. Say put dependent files. I'm just gonna say yes, even though I don't really have any because there's pictures. And then just for good measure, I'm gonna go ahead and look at my web page, make sure it works. There it is, writing prompt, click it, and yep, I got to it. So cool, that's what you gotta do, you know, but link it up once it's done, and you should be good to go. And if you guys have any questions, let me know.